Good morning. Playing hooky from school. You say good morning.
Morning.
Good morning. So she's staying home with me today. She wasn't supposed to, but she is. And I don't know what all we're going to do today, but I definitely am going to work out this morning while she eats her breakfast. So I got to put on some workout clothes.
Me too.
She says her too. Anyway. Good morning. It's day 10. You know, I have to go look back. I've done Vlogmas. This is my third year, I believe. And I don't know if I've ever made it all the way to the 25th. Whether I doubled up the videos or not. I'm going to go back and see how far I've gone in Vlogmas. I think the most I've made it to is probably around this mark. Or at least maybe 12 days. So if I make it these next couple of days, I have set a record. Also, put on your notifications so you can know that there's a new video. And maybe some of y'all just don't like Vlogmas. People always say Vlogmas brings down their numbers. People don't watch it. I don't know. But, you know, I haven't made a whole lot of videos this year. So I'm just catching up and just kind of giving y'all some insight on what has been going on. And I promise you by the end of this week, your answers, questions, answers, whatever, all that will be taken care of. And you'll understand why for the past year, I've not been making a lot of videos here on YouTube. Although I must admit, I still question. I'm like, I don't know if I want to make videos anymore. So, I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, gotta get my boo some breakfast. Good morning. We are actually up. We're actually moving and grooving. Look at our little thing. We have so much stuff from last night when we didn't put it up back there for Christmas. But we'll figure out some stuff. We'll figure out where the rest is going to go. Right, Char? Yeah. So anyway, I'm about to work out up in this piece. And you going to work out too? Well, she's eating her cereal. But look, I look a mess. I woke up like this. I woke up like this. A hot mess. Okay. Yeah, but anyway, hot mess or not, I'm about to do this workout because I am determined to get back on track now that things are slowing down. I know it's the holiday season. You're like, girl, ain't slowing down like it's the bustle and the hustle of the holiday season. But for me, yes, let's get this day started. But for us, for me anyway, things are just beginning. I'm going to have like a separate video, but I will talk about it a little bit here on Vlogmas. And I think I already kind of started talking about it. If you watched my first Vlogmas here on the channel, which you should, go back and watch it so you can see why I started Vlogmas so late and kind of catch up on life, what's been going on to start this holiday season off for us. But yes, so I'm about to work out. Like, we got to get this in, huh, Char? That's what I'm talking. We got to get it in. 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 We crunk, huh? Oh, you throwing up the deuces? Say them deuces. The peace sign. Deuces. All right, let me get this workout in and then we'll come back to you guys. But I just looked outside. Oh, and I just looked outside and like one of my plants is like dying. And it's an ivory, and I cannot let it die. Like, I absolutely cannot let it die. So I might bring it inside of the house, and I might let it sit out in the sun. I think it hasn't been getting a lot of sun lately. Because it's just, even though we in Texas, but it's been cold. And also, like, today is the first day that we've had sun in, like, a couple of days. Like, a while. So that's why I'm opening up the blinds, trying to get some sun and some light into the hizzy. But anyway, let me get down to this workout so I can look fine for that 1-9. Oh, that rhymes. Let me get my workout in so I can look fine for that 1-9. Oh, yeah. All right. So workout is complete, and now I'm going into my closet because I'm gonna make a shake. towel, if I can find one. My meal replacement, Avocare. Yes, I use Avocare products. I'm gonna do a shake because I feel like I skip out on meals sometimes, and that's not good. And a lot of times it's not purposely, but like I'm just not a person who likes to eat in the morning. It makes me feel, that's why I have to do stuff like meal replacement shakes or like a little protein bar or something like that, because they make me like, sometimes it makes me too full. Even on the weekends, I'll try to, my husband, he's big on breakfast, especially on the weekends, and we try to like eat and do that, and then like, I don't know, I feel all like bloated or something, like something ain't right, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna roll this up, and then I'm gonna go upstairs and take a shower and try to do something to this hair, wash this hair probably, and I might work on my planner. Do you guys plan? You know, do you guys use the happy planners and all that stuff? Let me know. I hear Charlie upstairs doing something. Only God knows, right? There we go. So, yeah, about to make this shake. And like I said, I don't know what we're going to do for the rest of the day. Probably just going to chill. Hi, Charlie. so we're probably just going to chill. And like I said, I might work on some stuff in my planner. And I also have this up for Christmas. It's like stickers that you can put up and take back down, like a foil type thing. Ooh, and it's like rubbing off. So I might try to put this up. I don't know. You think we should put this up, Char? Alright, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to have an easy day. I'm just glad it's sunny outside. So anyway, yeah.
Hey, Mama.
What? So I'm done working out, and look what I did, y'all. I took a shower and blow dried my hair, right, Char? We're gonna have to do Charlie's hair next. We're gonna have to get some tangles out that hair, girl. You so cute. Let's go find you some lunch. So we're gonna go find some lunch, find something to eat, something, and then probably try to do something to her hair. I don't know if I'm gonna come back on. Y'all see my Lysol, because I Lysol it down. We need to move that. But anyway, but this will probably be it for today. Nothing fancy, you know. This is kind of like, it's Monday. What y'all expect? It's Monday. You know, let me take...
Can we find this one home?
Okay, hold on. Let me tell you... Okay, yeah. Okay, let me tell you guys something real quick. Hold on, let me tell them something real quick. I was watching another YouTuber because it's happening to me, and like, it kind of doesn't bother me, but just to give encouragement to maybe somebody else. Like, if you do Vlogmas, I've noticed it in past years, and I'm noticing it this year, that because my numbers are like going up and down as far as subscribers go, and it's gonna happen in Vlogmas. It's really gonna happen. And like one YouTuber, I wish I could remember her name right now. I just happened to come across her, and in the explore or menu or suggested videos, is that sometimes that's a good thing, because maybe it's weeding out people that really aren't into your channel anyway. Maybe they just subscribe to your channel like on a whim or something, or maybe they're just not into vlogs or whatever. And I'm telling you, your subscribers, the people that are really down for you, they're not going to unsubscribe because you posted a video that maybe they're not into. Even if it's a video that you normally do. I mean, I watch a lot of YouTubers, and sometimes, like for instance, I watch a lot of like beauty gurus, if you will, and they might do a monthly favorites. And sometimes I'm looking at their monthly favorites and I'm just like into the video, and I'm like, I'm not feeling them today. So I click out. I don't unsubscribe. I just freaking click out of the thing. Like, you know what I'm saying? So if you unsubscribe, if people are unsubscribing for you, keep unsubscribing from you. Like just be there, and you know, just be present, keep doing what you're doing. Vlogmas is fun. And another thing that the same YouTuber said that really, and I think I said it on, was that yesterday or maybe 2 Vlogmas videos ago, is that, you know, I'm sorry. And like she had, like for her, she really has it planned out. I don't have Vlogmas planned out because I think the beauty of Vlogmas is that it's just kind of like random, and you're seeing what's going on through the holidays and seeing what's going on through people's lives. And I wish that people that vlog truly every day or every week or however they do it, I wish they would get back to that. Like, it's cool to have some stuff scheduled, like, you know, if somebody's gonna have a birthday party, you know, that might be fun to show and everything. But I like those vloggers out there that are just real and show you their everyday life, because sometimes in the midst of just some simple-ish, you can learn a lesson, something funny might happen. So why does everything have to be so planned and so together? Like, I miss those YouTube days and I miss those YouTubers. So that's all I'm going to say about that. I'm going to keep on vlogging through Vlogmas, I think. You know, the only reason why I would stop is if something really came up and I just could not pick up the phone to like really vlog, or I'm not thinking about it or something. But I'm going to keep on. Like, so if you're going to roll with me, you're going to roll with me. If you're not going to roll with me, you're not going to roll with me. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, it's a Monday. We've worked out. We've checked on our plans. I've taken a shower. Ain't that a good thing? Yes. Y'all have seen me do my hair a couple days, even though this ain't really like all together, but like I'm, you know, it's Monday and this is what I do. And Charlie didn't go to school today, not because she's sick or anything, she's well, but you know, we just chilling, mommy and daughter time. We just chilling, doing what we do. So this is Vlogmas, this is us. You like it or you don't. Okay, get into it.
Look at his legs.
Shake your booty. Shake your booty.
Shake your booty out.